Mayaman ka ba? Rich people have the potential to be either a channel of God's blessings to others or a source of burden because of greed and selfishness. Nakadepende ito kung papaano natin gagamitin ang yaman na pinagkaloob lang din naman talaga sa atin ng Diyos. Kaya naman, we have to watch out, mga ka-G, dahil ang seemingly normal attraction to material goods ay maaaring humantong sa attachment sa mga ito hanggang sa humantong sa dissatisfaction at greed. In our gospel, Jesus said that it is easier for a camel to pass through the eye of a needle than for one who is rich to enter the kingdom of God. So, paano yung mayayaman? Paano kung mayaman ka? What should we do to enter the kingdom of God? Let God be our only satisfaction. And if we shall hunger or thirst for more riches, may it be to become richer in mercy, richer in forgiveness, and richer in love. Ready ka na bang tanggapin ang mga yamang ito? G ka ba?